Hello traders, Chasing Stars here reviewing a video chart for ticker symbol SATM. I'm going to go over this one. It's been definitely catching a lot of buzz, especially over on Investors Hub. Today's date is Tuesday, January 24, 2012. We had a last of 0.033 on a volume of 74,820. We've seen a lot of action here in this chart. Seen some pullbacks, seen some runs and whatnot. So I'm going to go ahead and go over the basics here and what I see. The first thing I'm going to go ahead and point out here is a relative strength index, which is up here, and that right now is trading at 63.96. It just came out of the power zone. We're going to talk about that here shortly and what I see down here with the candlesticks. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and point out is the sideways trading that's going on right now, and it looks like it keeps tapping a little bit of support here at 0.03. If we look back in here, it was resistance before, it got through it, went ahead and took off, and then pulled back, dropped below this resistance line and became support, or I'm sorry, dropped below the support, and then it became resistance and obviously went down, and now it came back up, got back up to that resistance a few days there, and once it broke through, it's been holding well, which is very good in my opinion. As far as the next support level that we're going to be keeping an eye on, I'm going to go ahead and put one down here at the 0.025 area. That's going to be our next one, but after that we're going to be looking at this red line. The red line is 200-day simple moving average, which is at 0.022, and then this blue line, which is 0.019, and that's the 50-day simple moving average. And those are going to be our support levels. What I'm going to be looking for here is obviously to hold this support level, and then we're going to be looking for a break up here. I'm going to go ahead and put a line about right there, about the 0.0434 area. Once we get above that and we get up here, especially to the 5-cent range, I think in my opinion we could see a really good run here, especially with this RSI cooling right now, sideways trading consolidation. Definitely a good sign. And then we're going to go down here and take a look at the MACD. We're going to be watching for that MACD to bounce back off and keep giving us the buy signal before it crosses over. And then the last thing I'm going to point out here is the accumulation is at an all-time high. And it's definitely been spiking up, especially when the price per share went ahead and jumped right around here with those big volume days that we see right here. So right now, like I said, we got a little bit of sideways trading. Anything can really set this off, in my opinion. I'm going to be watching for this volume to start picking up and start working our way up to the 4 area. And like I said, once we get through that about 0.045 area, I think we can definitely see some big gains here, in my opinion. So again, this is SATM. This will be posted over on myvideocharts.com. And for anybody that's interested in joining my private email list, please send an email to investorshangout@gmail.com with add me in the subject. You'll be added for educational and informational pieces only. Everybody have a good day. We'll see you back on the boards.